In Sweden, nature teaches us something important. Reliability matters, balance matters, and small details can change everything. For more than a century, the tablet has been one of the most reliable forms of medication ever created. Simple, stable, precise. And its future is only beginning. Modern medicine demands more than a mass production. Patients need safer formulations, faster development, more flexibility, and a greater sustainability. That future starts during tablet development. Every parameter matters. Compression force, dwell time, porosity, flowability, and scale-up behavior. With intelligent R&D systems like the Rotab series, developers can create tablets faster while reducing API waste, energy consumption, and unnecessary trial batches. Reliable scale-up means reliable medication. A process understood in development saves energy, material, and time in large-scale production. The tablet of the future will become even more patient-focused for children, for elderly people, personalized therapies, and advanced drug delivery systems. But one thing remains unchanged. Patients must be able to trust every single tablet. At Rotab-Systems, we believe the future of medicine starts with better tablet development, because reliable medication begins long before the tablet reaches the patient.